Family. So I am out here networking with the Migos. They got all type of things going on around here. You got the tires, you got alignments, window tint, car wash, paint jobs, you name it. Like, they got everything jumping up here. I'm getting my little whip cleaned up, my little work truck cleaned up right now, donating to a cause. One of their family members died, so I know how that is, man. So I always like to give back somehow. And then plus the kids was like, let me wash your truck. I'm like, all right, bet, y'all gonna wash my truck. So we out here, man. It's a good day. We in Phoenix at the tire shop. 24-hour tire shop at that. When have you ever seen a 24-hour rim shop or tire shop? Like, if you need it done, stop through here. I think I'm on Glendale right now. So we on Glendale networking. All gone.